Secretary of All India Congress Committee (AICC) and AICC in charge Manipur Christopher Tilak has asserted that the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has shown disregard to people of Manipur by failing to mention the ongoing conflict in Manipur during his visit to the state. Christopher Tilak was speaking to media persons at Congress Bhavan in BT Road today. Speaking further, Christopher Tilak highlighted that people of Manipur continue to live under immense hardships. The national highways and airports remained inaccessible to communities, but the Prime Minister during his visit to Manipur did not make any attempt to fix these issues. Instead, he tried to mislead the people by inaugurating and laying foundation stones for a few projects. Speaking further, Christopher Tilak further maintained that Manipur continues to suffer a setback in education, healthcare and other fields. National highways are mired with bans and blockades, and these has created an uncertain future to youths and people of the state. Christopher Tilak also asserted that people of Manipur have taught a lesson to BJP in the Lok Sabha election, while also expressing confidence that Congress will come back to power in the next assembly election of Manipur.
There has been a Bandh called by the underground outfits, which clearly states what is the situation in Manipur. Who is in control of state? I think the governor himself is under the control of the underground outfit. When the state is under the direct control of the Home Ministry of the central government, Bandh is being called for. I think in Manipur, in the present situation, we will have to talk about Manipur Chori. How in the last 3 to 4 years, Manipur has been robbed from the people of Manipur. So, BJP in the last couple of years, they have sowed the seeds of division and they have created chaos in the state. Imphal to Kohima, Dimapur quite often, which is like the NH 102, which connects Morai with Dimapur. The roads are really bad. After the Prime Minister's visit also, the government is not able to secure the roads into its proper control.